Hello, you're welcome to solve for x in this nice algebra equation from what is given here, which is 3 over 9 raised to power minus x, then plus 10 over 6 raised to power minus x, which is equals to 4 raised to power x. From here, when we are given something of the form 1 over a raised to power minus n, this same thing as a raised to power minus into minus n, because this 1 over here we turn to raised to power minus, and this is same thing as a raised to power n here. So from here, when we separate what we are given here, this can be written as 3 times 1 over 9 raised to power minus x, then plus, here we have 10 times 1 raised to power 1 over 6 raised to power minus x, now equals to 4 raised to power x. Then from here, applying what we have here, so this can be written as 3 times 9 raised to power x, then plus, here we have 10 times 6 raised to power x, now equals to 4 raised to power x. Then from here, let's divide through by 9 raised to power x, and we divide this side by 9 raised to power x, also here 9 raised to power x, and also divide by 9 raised to power x, and here 9 raised to power x will cancel each other, and we are left with 3 here, then plus, also from here we can separate this as 10 times 6 raised to power x over 9 raised to power x, and equals to, also from here we have 4 raised to power x over 9 raised to power x. And when we apply the law of indices, when we have a over b, that is a raised to power x over b raised to power x, here we can write it as a over b or raised to power x. So when we have something of this type, then from here we can write this as 3 plus 10 times 6 over 9 all raised to power x, now equals to, here we have also 4 over 9 all raised to power x now. Then in the next step, we can reduce this. 3 goes here, that's 2, 3 go here, 3. So we have here 3 plus 10 times into bracket 2 over 3 raised to power x. Also on this side, 4 over 9 here can be written as 4 is 2 square, then 9 is 3 square. And also applying this format, we can write this as 2 over 3 all square. That is, from here, this gives us 2 over 3 all square, then raised to power x. Then also from the law of indices, when we have a raised to power n, raised to power n, this is a raised to power mn, which is also a raised to power n into raised to power n. So from here, it implies that here we can interchange this power here. So let's change this power from here, and this becomes 3 plus 10 times 2 over 3 all raised to power x, then equals to also 2 over 3 raised to power x, then all square. Then from here, we should have this, the same thing now. Now let's use a letter. Let u be equals to 2 over 3 all raised to power x. Then this equation here becomes 3 plus 10u equals to u squared. Then we can rearrange this equation to form a quadratic equation by taking everything to one side. So we have u squared minus 10u, then minus 3 now equals to 0. Now when we use the quadratic formula, u equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 10, and c equals to minus 3. And here this becomes u equals to minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 squared, then minus 4 times 1 times minus 3, then all over 2 times 1. And here, what we have give us u equals to 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square here is 100. Then we have minus 10 minus that's plus 12. Then over 2. And here we have u now equals to 10 plus or minus square root of 112 over 2. And from here, with 112, we can separate that as root 16 times 7. And from here, this can be written as root 16 times root 7, and which is 4 root 7. So root 112 here, we can write this as 4 root 7. So we have u now equals to 10 plus or minus 4 root 7, then over 2. And from here, we can separate this into two fractions. That is u equals to 10 over 2 plus or minus 4 root 7 over 2. Here, this reduces to u equals to 5 plus or minus 2 root 7. And from here, we have two possible cases. First, we have u equals to 5 plus 2 root 7. And also we have u equals to 5 minus 2 root 7. And from here, we should recall that u is represented as 2 over 3 raised to power x. Then when we substitute that here, that gives us 2 over 3 raised to power x on this side, now equals to 5 plus 2 root 7. Then also from here we have u, which is 2 over 3 raised to power x, now equals to 5 minus 2 root 7. And when we look at this from this side, this gives us positive, and also here we have a positive result. Here this gives us positive, and here this will be negative. So here we reject this side, as a positive cannot be equals to a negative number. So here this is positive, accepted. Then from here, let's take the log on both sides. We have log 2 over 3 raised to power x equals to, here we have log into brackets 5 plus 2 root 7 from here. Then here, when we have log a raised to power b, is same thing as b log a. And here, this becomes x log 2 over 3, then equals to log into brackets 5 plus 2 root 7. Then, from here, when we have log a over b, this will give us log a minus log b. And from here, when we write what we have here, again, so this gives us x into bracket log 2 minus log 3 now equals to log into brackets 5 plus 2 root 7. And from here, we can divide both sides by log 2 minus log 3. So divide this side by log 2 minus log 3. Also, divide this side by log 2 minus log 3. Then this cancel out here, remain x, which give us log into brackets 5 plus 2 root 7. Then over here we have log 2 minus log 3. And if we want to put our answer in decimal, so here log 5 plus 2 root 7 will give us 1.012. Then over here log 2 0.301. Then minus here log 3 0.4771. Then here x then equals to 1.012 divided by minus 0.176 from here, and then from here it implies that x will be approximately equals to minus 5.75. So here we have the value of x in this given problem, which is approximately equals to minus 5.75. So we, of course, can check if this satisfies the given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on, share this video, give a thumbs up, and if you have another way of solving this, put it in the comment section. Thank you. See you next class, and bye.